Over 20 persons were arrested and charged by Clarendon police yesterday for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. As you'll hear in this report, some of those who were arrested say they were wrongfully detained.
Angry residents in Clarendon Tuesday evening. These persons were detained during a joint police-military operation in the parish.
Raids were conducted within Canaanites area and along the Chapelton Main Road, where several persons, 21 to be exact, were charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act.
But most of the detainees who spoke to our news team from inside this truck complained that they were wrongfully detained.
In my yard with my mask on my face, I get called out to come in here so me have a good house. What my rights? And I'm my rights, me I deal it.
Despite the plea, they were all taken to the Maypen police station and processed.
These rules and these laws are out there to protect us. It is not our intention to arrest and charge anyone, but if we fail to comply, we will be forced to take the necessary action.
In the meantime, several motorists were also ticketed for various breaches of the Road Traffic Act. And as the lawmen strive to restore law and order, they say they'll be increasing their presence throughout the parish in the coming days. Anthony Lug, TVJ News.